Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best combination squares that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Swanson S0101 CB Speed Square Layout Tool. It is sturdy and durable enough that doesn't bend under pressure and can serve for many years. It's a reliable pro-grade layout tool for woodwork, rafters, and carpentry lovers. As it is a pocket tool, so the compact designs allow you to carry it in your pocket and don't need a toolbox. Another exciting feature is it arrives with a pocket-friendly Swanson Blue Book that allows you to measure the exact lengths of rafter during roof construction. The quality of the ruler square is better than the rulers of regular combination squares. It is made from stainless steel, and its speed square frame is built by lightweight aluminum. So, you can measure the radius of hardwood edges like a pro. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Capro 325M Magnetic Lock Combination Square. This 12-inch Capro combination square is renowned for woodworking, stonemasonry, and metalworking applications. The compact size fits into any toolboxes easily. It comes with a built-in belt holster, zinc head, and a stainless steel scribe. Also, its 325M powerful 6 rare earth magnetic slide lock holds the ruler securely in place for accurate measurements. The stainless steel blade has a clear marking that allows us to read the scale with minimal errors, and cast zinc improves durability. The reliable layout etches with centimeters, millimeters, and inches graduations. It allows the users to determine 45 and 90-degree angles without disputes. Overall, the materials of this Capro combination square are durable and user-friendly. Additionally, this 12-inch rules height pattern provides the ease of transporting and storing after each use. At number 3, we have the Ticoftech 12-inch protractor level measuring set. Ticoftech manufactures this multi-functional carpenter combination square to use as a square, scriber, depth gauge, and a level application. It is ideal for marking 90 and 45-degree angle markings. The 12-inch length is compatible to use for experts and beginners to complete their tasks suitably. Apart from it, this multi-functional layout tool arrives with a scriber, bubble level, and depth gauge. Also, the blades come with dual-sided 12 inches British and 300 mm metric systems markings of inches and millimeters. Further, the chrome blade has heavy-duty and rust-proof construction to last long. It's suitable for level markings and precise measurements of deck, rafter, stair, and roofing projects. Nonetheless, the cast zinc body has a bright orange color with a built-in regulating screw. These user-friendly components are unyielding to everyday wear and tear. At number 2, we have the Swanson TC130 Combo Square. The Swanson 6-inch pocket combination square is a versatile multi-tool with over 10 uses, including leveling, squaring, marking, scribing, etc. The die-cast zinc body, stainless steel blade, and brass bolt hardware make it more durable and precise that any measuring work became more comfortable. The self-locking spring-loaded blade slides comfortably on the frame to assures a firm and accurate setting. The stainless steel blades with a precise black etching enhance user readability. The CNC machined working surfaces are so accurate to provide more reliable accuracy. It has an impact-resistant acrylic level vial that designs so firmly to withstand worksite damage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mr.Pen Framing Combo Square. Mr.Pen 12-inch Combo Square is a multi-purpose tool that helps you to get accurate measurements in metalwork, woodwork, and stonemasonry. It appears with precision-etched scales marked with both centimeters and inch graduations. With its spring-loaded brass bolt, you can get an accurate measurement quickly. This metal square has a rust-proof stainless steel blade that's durable and long-lasting. Apart from this, you can draw 90 and 45-degree angle wooden frames with this square set. Another fantastic feature is the strength of the steel angle ruler. Its metal construction allows a clear and ease of reading measurements. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.